Okay, so up next we'll be talking about periods in embryology. This is basically like periods in embryonic development. All right, we'll be talking about the pre-embryonic period, also known as the germinal period, and also be talking about the embryonic period and be talking about the fetal period. But this is basically just like just an overview. All right, because I took each of this period and we actually discussed on them. All right, we have different individual videos on them. All right, so basically, the human body, like that of most animals, develop from a single cell, that's a zygote, which is produced by the union of the male and female gametes. Okay, now the union marks the beginning of the prenatal period. Okay, which in humans encompasses three distinct stages. Right? So the first stage is a pre-embryonic stage. This is a pre-embryonic stage or the germinal stage, and each of these stages actually have the duration where they start and they end. All right, so just pay attention, guys. The pre-embryonic stage is actually the first 2 weeks of development, which is a period of cell division and initial differentiation. Okay, the embryonic period or a period of organogenesis is actually a period that lasts from the third to the 8th week of development. Now you guys have seen the durations. The pre-embryonic is actually just the first 2 weeks. The embryonic is from the third week now to the 8th week. Then the fetal will definitely be from the 9th week to some other time, right? So the fetal period, which is characterized by maturation of tissues and organs and rapid growth, is actually from 9 months till when you are giving birth. So, all right. So let me add some advice on embryonic period and fetal period. Okay, the pre-embryonic period is basically a period of rapid mitotic activity, but the cells here are totipotent. They can actually develop to produce anything. Okay, so in the embryonic period now is like the cells are undergoing organogenesis. Organogenesis is basically like each cell is being assigned a role. Okay, you are going to grow up to form the nose, you are going to grow up to form the teeth, you are going to grow up and form the hair and all the stuff. All right, so now if these cells have accepted this role now, okay, they have to actually what execute this role, and that's the fetal period. It is actually characterized by maturation of the tissues and organs. Now these tissues and organs are coming from cells which were actually assigned roles to form them. Okay, so is the fetal period is more of like, okay, execution of the command that we got. Okay, so this is it. And 3 week embryo, just like we discussed, that's the embryonic period. Embryonic period is from 3 to 8, 3 to 8, all right? Then from 9 to whenever you are giving birth is the fetal period. Then pre-embryonic period is the first 2 weeks, right? Week 1 and week 2. Okay? So these periods again, just a recap, we have the pre-embryonic period, we have the embryonic period, and we have the fetal period. Okay? Mnemonics to remember then could be PEF, all right? PEF, pre-embryonic, embryonic, and fetal period. All right. So guys, that's it about the periods in embryology or periods in embryonic development. All right. See you guys in the next one.